Take a ride in the 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, electronic stability control, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, tilt steering wheel, tire pressure monitoring system. Come take a test drive today.